In 2016, the Centers for Disease Control finds more than 90% of children and 89% of adults ages 19 and older eat too much sodium. KSNT News morning anchor Brittany Moore breaks down how much sodium we should actually be consuming and how to keep track of it.
The secret's out. Americans are a salty bunch. Even though recent news and research shows that people are trying to reduce their sodium intake, it's still not enough.
Try to get anywhere between 2,000 and 2,300 milligrams of sodium per day. On average, we're typically getting about 3,400 to 4,000 milligrams of sodium. So there's a really big, huge difference in there of what we're getting versus what we're supposed to be getting.
Too much of it can be detrimental to your health, specifically for your heart and kidneys.
So anywhere any excess water goes in our body, that's where the sodium is going to build up in the blood. So obviously, if you think about the function of the heart, you don't want it to make it work any harder than it needs to.
But don't completely remove it. Some sodium is essential for our bodies.
It helps our body with pH balance, nerve transmission, muscle relaxation.
So how much sodium is really in your favorite foods?
Anything that comes in a package or a bottle or a container at the grocery store is going to contain some level of sodium. And see, fresh vegetables has about 51 milligrams of sodium, canned vegetables 274 milligrams of sodium. We got 460 milligrams of sodium in cottage cheese. Canned soup, just one can has 2,225 milligrams of sodium. So you can already see right there, just eating one can of soup a day is already over or at your daily limit.
The key is to be aware, keep track of what you're eating, and maintain portion sizes.
We might be eating a low sodium food, but if we're eating several portions of it, that's where it can turn into a high sodium food and it can lead to a health problem.
Now, if you can't live without it, dietitians also recommend choosing the lower sodium versions of your favorite foods, many of which are now available in most grocery stores. Brittany Moore, KSNT News.